आसतु यही 100 MCQ माध्यम इंग्लिश ग्रामर टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस रो क्वेश्चन गुड़ को कवर करवा। यार पीडीएफ टी को डाउनलोड करने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में रही है, डाउनलोड करें। प्रथम नंबर प्रश्नटी हूँ सी इज रीडिंग ए नोवेल। यह एक क्यों प्रकार सेंटेंस? यह एक डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस? यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डू यू नो द आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, चूज द इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस। ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो चूज करबा इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, प्लीज क्लोज द विंडो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, आइडेंटिफाई द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस। चारोटी ऑप्शन लो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस होची व्हाट ए सरप्राइज इट वाज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द टीचर एक्सप्लेन द लेसन क्लियरली। दिस इज यह गोटे क्यों प्रकार वाक्य? यार सठिक आंसर जीवो यह एक सिंपल सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हिच इज ए कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ही इज पुअर बट ही इज ऑनेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, चूज द कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस। ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इफ यू वर्क हार्ड you will succeed. Question number 8, which of the following is compound complex sentence? ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो compound complex sentence कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर ए, I know the boy who is sitting there and he is my cousin. Question number 9, which type of sentence is this? Could you lend me your pen? यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, यह को इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, हाउ कोल्ड इट इज टुडे। इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ यह गोटे क्यों प्रकार वाक्य? यह एक एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, ए सेंटेंस दैट मेक्स ए स्टेटमेंट इज कॉल्ड डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, आइडेंटिफाई द सेंटेंस टाइप। वर्क हार्ड if you want to succeed। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन सी, एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, she must work hard or she will fail। दिस इज यह गोटे क्यों प्रकार वाक्य? यह एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, चूज द डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस। ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो she loves to play chess। Question number 15, unless you study you will not pass the exam। This is a यह एक क्यों प्रकार वाक्य? यह एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, which of the following is not an imperative sentence। ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो imperative sentence कोटा नुहे। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, he likes swimming। Question number 17, the sun was setting and the birds were flying home। This is called compound sentence। Question number 18, which sentence is complex। चारोटी ऑप्शन लो complex sentence कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, since she was late she missed the bus। Question number 19, identify the sentence type। I will call you when I reach home and we can talk। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन डी, यह एक कंपाउंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस अटे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, which of these is an exclamatory sentence। चारोटी ऑप्शन लो exclamatory sentence कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर जीवो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, कैन यू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, don't touch the wire। this is called imperative sentence। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, choose the simple sentence। ये चारोटी ऑप्शन लो चूज करिया सिंपल सेंटेंस कोटा। यार सठिक आंसर ऑप्शन सी, he ran quickly to catch the bus. Question number 24. He not only sings well but also dance beautifully. This is called compound sentence. Question number 25. Which is an example of complex sentence? यार सঠিक आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी she was late because she missed the bus. Question number 26. Identify the type of sentence. What a brave soldier he was. এটা ଗୋଟେ କି ପ୍ରକାର ବାକ୍ୟ? ଏହା ଏକ ଅପସନ ନମ୍ବର ସି ଏକ୍ସକ୍ଲାମେଟରୀ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ। Question number 27. Which of the following is a declarative sentence? यार सঠিक आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी she is working on her project. Question number 28. The train left but the bus arrived late. This is called compound sentence. Question number 29. Which is compound complex sentence? এই চারটি অপশন হলো compound complex sentence কোনটা? এর সঠিক आंसर है অপশন নম্বর এ। Question number 30. Did you complete your assignment? This is called interrogative sentence. Question number 31. What a lovely flower. The sentence is exclamatory sentence. Question number 32. Which one in imperative sentence? এর সঠিক आंसर है অপশন নম্বর এ go to your room. Question number 33. She failed the test because she did not study. এর সঠিক आंसर है অপশন নম্বর সি ଏହା ଏକ complex sentence. Question number 34. He opened the door and entered the room. This is a simple sentence. Question number 35. Which is not an interrogative sentence? यांको चारटा ऑप्शन लो केवटा इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस नुहे यार सटीक आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी प्लीज टेल मी द ट्रुथ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. Although he was tired he continued working. This is called complex sentence. Question number 37. Which sentence is declarative? Right answer is option number B. She enjoys reading novels. Question number 38. Identify the complex sentence. Compound complex sentence. Right answer is option number A. Question number 39. He speaks English fluently. This is called declarative sentence. Question number 40. Which sentence is exclamatory? Right answer is option number A. How sweet the mango taste. Question number 41. Which type of sentence is this? Please pass me the salt. Right answer is option number B. Imperative sentence. Question number 42. Identify the complex sentence. चारटा ऑप्शन complex sentence है option number B. If you study hard you will get good marks. Question number 43. He not only studies well but also play cricket. This is called compound sentence. Question number 44. Which sentence is exclamatory? Right answer is option number B. Question number 45. The man who is standing there is my uncle. This is called complex sentence. Question number 46. Which sentence is declarative? Right answer is option number B. She is a brilliant student. Question number 47. Open the window and let it some air. This is called imperative sentence. Question number 48. Identify the compound sentence. Right answer is option number A. He came and I went. Question number 49. Which is a compound complex sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 50. What an interesting story. This is called exclamatory sentence. Question number 51. Identify the simple sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 52. Which of the following is interrogative sentence? Right answer is option number B. What are you doing now? Question number 53. I will wait. I will your I will wait here until your return. This is called complex sentence. Question number 54. Choose the imperative sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 55. Which sentence is complex? Right answer is option number C. Question number 56. You must improve your handwriting or you will lose 2 marks. This is called compound sentence. Question number 57. Which is a declarative sentence? Right answer is option number C. Question number 58. Identify the exclamatory sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 59. Since I was tired, I went to bed early and slept suddenly. This is called compound complex sentence. Question number 60. Which of the following is not an imperative sentence? Right answer is option number C. Question number 61. Will you help me with this project? This is called interrogative sentence. Question number 62. Which is an imperative sentence? Right answer is option number C. Question number 63. Identify the complex sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 64. Which of the following is a compound sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 65. How fast the train is moving? This is called exclamatory sentence. Question number 66. Identify the declarative sentence. Right answer is option number C. Question number 67. Unless you start early, you cannot catch the train. This is called complex sentence. Question number 68. Which sentence is compound complex? Right answer is option number A. Question number 69. Be careful while crossing the road. This is called imperative sentence. Question number 70. Which is a simple sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 71. The speaks softly, but she speaks clearly. This is called compound sentence. Question number 72. Identify the exclamatory sentence. Right answer is option number A. Question number 73. Which sentence is interrogative? Right answer is option number B. Question number 74. The book that you gave me is very useful. This is complex sentence. Question number 75. She smiled and walked away. This is simple sentence. Question number 76. Which of the following is compound? Right answer is option number A. Question number 77. Although she is young, she is very wise. This is option number C. Complex sentence. Question number 78. Identify the compound complex sentence. Right answer is option number A. Question number 79. Which is an imperative sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 80. He has late. He was late, but he attended the meeting because it was important. This is compound complex sentence. Question number 81. Close the gate before leaving. This is imperative sentence. Question number 82. Which is a compound complex sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 83. Identify the simple sentence. Right answer is option number C. Question number 84. What are you crying? This is interrogative sentence. Question number 85. The boy who topped the exam is my cousin. This is complex sentence. Question number 86. Which sentence is compound? Right answer is option number A. Question number 87. Identify the declarative sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 88. What a honorable accident it was. What a horrible accident it was. This is exclamatory sentence. Question number 89. Which is an imperative sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 90. He failed because he did not work hard, but he promised to try again. This is compound complex sentence. Question number 91. Which sentence is interrogative sentence? Right answer is option number A. Question number 92. Although she was unwell, she completed her work on time. This is complex sentence. Question number 93. Identify the simple sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 94. Which of the following is a compound sentence? Right answer is option number B. Question number 95. How quickly the time flies. This is exclamatory sentence. Question number 96. Identify the compound complex sentence. Right answer is option number A. Question number 97. Which is not an imperative sentence? Right answer is option number C. Question number 98. Though he is rich, he is not happy, and he is often complain. This is compound complex sentence. Question number 99. Identify the complex sentence. Right answer is option number B. Question number 100. Switch off the light when you leave and lock the door. This is compound complex sentence. ভিডিওটি কেমন লাগলা ভিডিওକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ କୁ ନଥିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରିବ। এই ପିଡିଏଫ୍ କୁ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଗ୍ରୁପର ଲିଙ୍କ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ବକ୍ସରେ ଅଛି ଯାଇ ଜଏନ୍ ହୋଇଯିବ।